What's up guys, Greg with PizzlesTechTime, back again with another video. And excuse Lulu right here, she's being a little bit needy today. I've got something real exciting for you. That's right, I see you over there. This is a budget smartwatch from SKG, and this thing is really cool. It comes in at around $50, and they do have a few other models of smartwatch. I'll show you what comes inside the box real quick, guys, and then I'll tell you what I like about this watch and what I don't like about this watch. Put my cards on the table, guys. SKG did send this out to me for review, and there will be affiliate links in the description, but it's not gonna affect my opinion of the product. I'm still gonna let you know what I think of it. Use your judgment if I'm just a shill or I'm giving you valuable information, and maybe use my links to shop if that's the case, guys. Pretty cool by SKG. Nice big screen. Alexa is built in. So first things first, guys, this package is very light, and we've got Bluetooth call, IP68 waterproof, multi-sports mode, large 1-inch touchscreen, and we have heart rate, oximetry, and sleep monitoring. So it's going to monitor your heart rate, your oxygen, and sleep monitoring, and it says long battery life. And I've looked at a few products by SKG, and they make really nice products at a pretty good price. Open it up like so. Really cool, nice presentation, and it also includes a little instruction manual. Already comes with this rubber-like band, and it says long press to turn on. We also have this case right here, proprietary magnetic charger. Let's see how long the cable is. Looks to be about 2 feet. At one end here, we have a USB-A, and we have this magnetic connector, which you can tell is magnetic. This wristband is a nice rubber material, feels very soft and nice in the hands. This is like a case that they're giving you for free. So I really like that. This is the anti-collision case and sporty case, okay? And because it's magnetic, you're just going to boop, boop, put that right there. We have plugged this in, and as you can see, it has turned on. Download the Very Fit app on your phone from Google Play Store or the App Store. So as you can see, you scan the QR code and show options, open link. Now we are just going to install the application, and we've got it connected right away. Device is pairing with phone. Turn on my office. Okay, that actually worked, cool. Turn off my office. Okay, that is working right off the rip, guys. Oh wow, so this will actually play whatever you're playing on your phone. That's really cool. Sometimes that doesn't even work with my watch. Notifications on the bottom, and you have your Android-like UI here. Really a lot of features on this little watch here. I've got to say, really, really cool here. We've got alarms. Wow, this is really cool. Power saving mode, and we have Find My Phone, which is working. First things first, this SKG smartwatch comes with a magnetic charger for the back here. It comes with a cable, but no brick to charge it. Batman to the Batmobile. So this thing is pretty sleek looking, guys, I gotta say. It reminds me of the looks of an Apple Watch, and for $50, you really can't complain here. The screen is very vibrant. Not only does SKG provide you with the wrist strap here, but they also give you a secondary wrist strap, a little more heavy duty, and it has a case to protect the front. Now, there is no screen protector on this watch when you get it, so if you're worried about protecting it, you might want to find something online. If I can find a screen protector for this thing, I'll put it down in the links below, guys. So functionality-wise, you're getting almost everything you would get with a flagship smartwatch. A ton of fitness tracking, getting a really bright screen. This little dial functions as a button. I can't really rotate it to change any settings, guys. You're going to be able to make calls. You're going to be able to read text messages, control your music and your camera. And from what I can see, all the functionality is working pretty well. I even tested the audio quality through a call, and my buddy made a joke and said it sounds better than when you're on your earbuds, but he's not an audiophile or anything, but he did say it did sound pretty good, and I could hear him pretty clear. It is similar to Android when you swipe up, and you're gonna get this screen right here. So you're getting a lot of quick controls if you can swipe down, and then swiping left to right will let you know your activity record and all that good stuff. Now guys, if you're coming from an Apple Watch or someone like me that has a Galaxy Gear watch or whatever the heck they're they're calling them now, Galaxy Watch 4 or 5. You are going to be losing out on a few things with this budget style smartwatch. So you're not really going to be able to push apps to your phone like you can with your other flagship smartwatch. So if you're getting a notification on Instagram or Facebook and you click on it, it's really not going to give you much options. You're not going to be able to open it and transfer it to your phone like I can on my smartwatch. Now, on my Galaxy Watch, I can also respond to text with voice or a little keyboard, and it doesn't really work that great that I'm that upset about losing it on a $50 smartwatch, but it still would be cool if you were able to at least open a message thread and read it and stuff like that. That does really help if you don't have your phone handy. Most of the time your smartwatch just opens it up on your phone and tells you to look at your phone. Not the hugest deal in my eyes. The case that they include is pretty cool. It's a little bit hard for my liking, and I don't really think it'll be that comfortable, but if you really need to protect it, sure, give it a shot and use it, but it's nice that they include it anyways. The magnetic charging system works really well. I tried to let it hang from the charger to see how easily it falls off. It doesn't fall off that easy, guys. So for battery life, it does say it has an extremely long battery life, and I am seeing that as I only charged it once the entire week. I turned it on, connected it to my phone, tried out some of the settings, and then I let Carolyn use it so she could tell me her thoughts on it. 2 or 3 days later, after I got the watch from her, whether or not she was using it a lot, I'm not really sure, but the battery life was still at 60 or 70%, which is pretty wild because my Samsung watch definitely dies a lot faster. It does have a little bit more functionality, guys. It does have camera control that you can use to take photos and stuff like that, which is pretty cool. It does have a camera control button, but you're pretty limited in what you can do with that. You can really only take a photo, it looks like to me, and I'm not sure if it would work on every single device. It's really nice to have a remote to take pictures, but it's even better when you can see through the camera lens, which I can on my flagship device, which is a lot more expensive than this budget smartwatch. The music controls work really well, and Amazon Alexa works really well also. Right after I set it up, I was able to control everything in my house, and I thought that was pretty cool. I actually was thinking, wow, I really wish my smartwatch actually had that, because a lot of times you might be away from your Alexa or on your way out the door, and this comes in pretty handy. You don't have to take out your phone. You don't have to do anything. This watch is waterproof, and it does have a feature to push out any water inside the watch. Guys, in retrospect, for 50 bucks, the screen is bright, the battery lasts a long time, you're getting your basic activity and functionality for your smartwatch. It has some limits because of the price, not being able to text and not being able to see your camera through the actual watch like you can on a lot of big smartwatches nowadays. I do think it's really awesome. I like this a lot better than the last budget watch I tested a few years ago. I could actually see myself using this, and I really do like how the battery life is really long. Like I said, guys, missing out on some key features that flagship smartwatches have. The magnetic charger, while it's cool, it's kind of difficult because sometimes you just want to wirelessly charge your watch, and if you don't bring that cable, you know, you're kind of SOL, as one would say, so that could be a con considering. Took this out of a bag earlier, and there was a lot of dust under the screen where the watch connects right here. But I used the alcohol swab, cleaned it up, and it seemed to do just fine. I really do like this budget smartwatch. I think it'd be great for a kid or great for a fitness enthusiast that wants to leave their phone at home. Has a lot of informative functionality, and the integrated Amazon Alexa is pretty awesome. I really enjoy that. Links are below for shopping. It doesn't cost you anything. Those are affiliate links. They do help support the channel. My name's Greg with PizzlesTechTime. Been trying to improve the videos a lot more and more recently. And I really hope you guys are enjoying it, and you might hit the subscribe button, followed by the notification bell, so you don't miss my next video, guys. Yeah, guys, that's really all I gotta say. Thanks, SKG, for sending this watch out to me. Questions and comments below, and until next week, I'm out. Peace.
Pre-flag, fly, let your pre-flag, fly, let your pre-flag, fly, let your